Yes.
Monto tayo mo ikeran.
True.
Tayo mo ikeran. Ando monto yo kanyara binto bionspi. No na no konya ko kina. Binte bigo changora ngora. You did not expect a president you have in 3 years. Ora chimira ko nebi kone. Kwaro chekere president ya so etobis. Ya what a lot of fallen debts. Ari waka na chipesa chisabire korusko.
Right.
Ya sabet part of wenga kia mheshimiwa Kibaki, ya sabuna mheshimiwa Ruto. Wano kanyora Kenya ya ikire ya shekeiru ya ikire ase etabu ati no return. Kero tabu ati no return. You have to go to the mercy of others. Ikero consider the situation ya lero. Ne ya moisonde ne yenga kier ne yenga kier aruochi maiga. Nabo ikero ko parents ye binte vionspi. Get to me. Nabo kanyora binte president ya Getembe. Number one, the infrastructure, licha jage tu na Kibaki, Oruru akachigendarari, still it didn't abandon them.
Okay.
Okay, and then Nairobi, you will see many.
Nagusia.
Usiga, just yesterday but one.
Okay.
Nalenge Kisii County. A constituency ko Rogunyali Valley, Nasaba.
Okay.
Chache. Na Bobas. Na patria Bogembo. That is Machoge Chache. Also rachi para. Chile new. During this session, yo mheshimiwa William Ruto. You can agree, maybe in the Bingos Kabire. You cannot say that the last 4 years we are at zero. Even the challenges chiarengo. Chu wakana madeni. Na kurikichi beso korera magendra ayagendra no na ya buna ayo moiboli hose buna aye omonto
Yes.
ekerogo kina ose kwali kruegas no gendo gore nyomba ogorobolemo ogore gari osomia abana at once ebindebi ebigocha actually ngora Yona li problem to bwate buna Kenya.
Okay.
Tutagete bintu bira instant. Andri yesa lenkali yesa kinete. Ana bantu kero montago kina ngora. To so ku understand a concept ya yoko kina eta economically kuma to kina to kina ke mobere ne birangarali is equal the same development.
Mheshimiwa.
Omonto obeire gas for 20 years or 10 years cannot be the same.
Right.
No montabeire gas in 2 years or 3 years or 4 years. Even if they are in the same level of earning.